Hello dear students, myself Professor Jitendra Devre. Due to COVID-19 pandemics, I have decided to start our online lectures. Friends, in our 11th science biology syllabus, total 16 chapters are included. And the first chapter of our syllabus is living world. But before we have started our first chapter, today we will discuss about what is meant by biology. Okay, so what is meant by biology? So the term biology derived from two Greek words. That is first bios and second logos. Bios means living things. And logos means discourse or study. So what is the definition of biology? Biology, it is the branch of science in which deals with the study of living things or life. So the definition of biology is it is the study of life or living organisms are called as biology. Okay, and biology, it is the branch of science. So the another complete definition is biology, it is the branch of science in which deals with the study of life or living organism. So which living organisms are exist on the earth? There are two types of the living organisms exist on the earth, that is plant and animals. Hence, due to this, the biology are having two main branches. Actually, biology are having three main means it has many branches, but it has three main branches. First, botany, second, zoology, and third is microbiology. Okay, so the biology include three main branches. So first is botany, second is zoology, and third is microbiology. So botany means it is the study of plants. Okay, zoology, it is the study of animals, and microbiology, it is the study of microorganisms. Okay, so we are discuss one by one. First of all, botany. So what is the definition of botany? Botany, it is the branch of biology in which deals with the study of plants, are called as botany. So what is the definition of botany? It is the branch of biology in which deals with the study of plants. Okay, the simple definition is the study of plant are called botany. The study of plant is called botany. Okay, the study of animal is called zoology. Okay, and the study of microorganisms is called microbiology. ओके, इथे आपण आता चार डेफिनेशन स्टडी केलेले आहेत. कोणत्या चार डेफिनेशन? पहिली डेफिनेशन असेल बायोलॉजीची. व्हॉट इज माय बायोलॉजी? सो बायोलॉजी, इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ सायन्स in which deals with the study of life or living organism is called as biology. Okay, and the study of biology first time carried out by the scientist Aristotle. Okay, hence Aristotle is called as father of biology. ओके, जर तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये क्वेश्चन किंवा सीईटी मध्ये जर क्वेश्चन असा विचारला की हु इज द फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी, सो द फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी इज फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी is Aristotle. So who is the father of biology? Aristotle. Okay, so biology has two main branches. First is botany and zoology. Okay, and the third branch included, that is microbiology. So what is my botany? So botany, it is the branch of biology. आता इथे म्हणताना आपण कसं म्हणणार, बॉटनी ही कुणाची ब्रांच आहे, तर बायोलॉजीची. ओके, बायोलॉजी कुणाची ब्रांच होती, सायन्स. ओके, म्हणून आपण बायोलॉजीची डेफिनेशन करत असताना आपण असं म्हटलं होतं, इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ सायन्स, इट इज द ब्रांच ऑफ सायन्स इन विच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ लाइफ और लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. बट बायोलॉजी आर हैविंग टू मेन ब्रांचेस, दैट इज बॉटनी and zoology. So what is the definition of botany? Botany means it is the branch of biology. It is the branch of biology. Deals with the study of plants. Is called as botany. Is called as botany. Okay. And who is the father of botany? So Theophrastus, because the study of plants first time carried out by the scientist Theophrastus. Okay. So Theophrastus is also called as father of botany. Okay, who is the father of botany? Theophrastus. Theophrastus is the father of botany. Okay, so next branch is zoology. So zoology is also the branch of biology. So it is the branch of biology in which deals with the study of animals, is called as zoology. Is called as zoology. Okay, and the study of animal first time carried out by the scientist Aristotle. The study of animals first time carried out by the scientist Aristotle. Hence Aristotle are also called as father of zoology. Okay, father of zoology. And last one is microbiology. So microbiology, it is the branch of biology. Microbiology, it is the branch of biology in which deals with the study of microorganism. So which microorganism? For example, bacteria, viruses, etc. Okay, so these are the microorganisms. The study of microorganisms are called as microbiology. And the Anton Phillips Leeuwenhoek is also called as father of microbiology. Because Anton Phillips van Leeuwenhoek first discovered the compound microscope. Okay, and you know very well that with the help of microscope we have seen the microorganism we cannot see with the help of naked eyes. म्हणजे आपण जे उघड्या डोळ्यांनी बघू शकत नाही असे जे मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स असतील हे आपण कुणाच्या मदतीने बघतो, मायक्रोस्कोपच्या. and with the help of microscope we are studying about the microorganism. Okay, so the study of microorganism is called as microbiology, and this microbiology branch first time discovered by the scientist Leeuwenhoek. Hence he is also called as father of microbiology. Leeuwenhoek is called as father of microbiology. Okay, so this is the total information about that, the introduction of biology. So I repeat all definitions. First, what is biology? So biology, it is the branch of science in which deals with the study of life or living organism is called as biology. तुम्ही सिंपल डेफिनेशन अशी करू शकता. It is the study of life or living organism is called as biology. And who is the father of biology? That is Aristotle. Okay, biology has three main branches. Which three main branches? First botany, second zoology, and third microbiology. So the simple definition of botany is study of plants. Study of plants. Okay, and who is the father of botany? That is Theophrastus. Okay, second branch is zoology. So zoology, it is the branch of biology in which deals with the study of animals. Animals is called as zoology. Zoology ची पुन्हा simple definition सांगतो. The study of animal is called as zoology. And the study of zoology first time carried out by the scientist Aristotle. Hence, Aristotle are also called as or is also called as father of zoology. Okay, म्हणजे याचा अर्थ इकडे बघा, फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी शब्द, फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी विचारलं तरी सुद्धा त्याचा आन्सर काय असणार? अरिस्टॉटल. अँड हु इज द फादर ऑफ झुलॉजी विचारलं तरी त्याचा आन्सर काय असणार? त्या ठिकाणी तिथे अरिस्टॉटल असेल. बट क्वेश्चन जर असा विचारला गेला तुम्हाला हु इज द फादर ऑफ बॉटनी, तर त्याचा आन्सर असेल थिओफ्रास्टस. ओके, आणि तिसरी जी ब्रांच आहे ती कोणती असेल तर मायक्रोबायोलॉजी. मायक्रोबायोलॉजीची सिंपल डेफिनेशन आहे, इट इज द स्टडी ऑफ मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम. इट इज द स्टडी ऑफ मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम इज कॉल्ड ॲज मायक्रोबायोलॉजी. मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम कोणते कोणते असतात? तर बॅक्टेरिया असेल, व्हायरस असेल, फंजाय असेल, प्रोटोझोआन्स असतील, ओके, एक्सेट्रा. These are all microscopic living things or living organisms. They are called as microorganisms. Okay, and the study of microorganisms first time carried out by the scientist Leeuwenhoek with the help of compound microscope. Hence, he is also called as father of microbiology. आणि मग तुम्हाला माहित असेल की काय बॉटनीमध्ये स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट्स मध्ये कोण येतात तर क्रिप्टोगॅम्स अँड फेनोरोगॅम्स. क्रिप्टोगॅम्स म्हणजे काय? Cryptogams means yes, they are spore producing plants and phenerogams means they are seed producing plants. Okay, zoology मध्ये कशाचा स्टडी होतो? Animals. Animals are classified into two groups, that is chordates and non-chordates. Okay, chordates means the animal possess spinal cord and the animal do not possess spinal cord. Okay, and microorganism मध्ये कोणते कोणते तर बॅक्टेरिया आणि व्हायरसेस. त्याचा डिटेल स्टडी आपण चॅप्टर्स मध्ये आपल्याला सेपरेटली आपल्या सिलेबस मध्ये चॅप्टर दिलेले आहेत. किंगडम ॲनिमल असेल, किंगडम प्लांटी असेल, ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण स्टडी करणार आहोतच. फक्त आज आपण फर्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये काय कव्हर केलं तर इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ बायोलॉजी. ओके, थँक्यू.